What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing dirt today, and I'm talking about dirt tenderloin, and we gonna stuff it, y'all. It's gonna be so tasty. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So of course, you know, first thing we gotta do, gotta rain on. Hit them with that salt, some pepper, then of course we gotta hit them with that garlic powder. Now of course, y'all, we season both sides with this salt, pepper, and garlic. Now on the inside, we're gonna hit it with some Italian herbs, some cayenne pepper. Then over the top, we're gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit. And we're gonna work that seasoning in, just rub it in, y'all, rub it in. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. But then after that, we coming in with some spinach. Now what I'm using today is canned spinach, but you can use fresh spinach. That would be even better, y'all, even better. And then we coming in with some chopped onions. Now you can dice them or chop them, whichever you prefer. Now this here is one of them Kraft's cheese sticks, and what we gonna do, we gonna cut it in half and get one on one piece and one on the other. So now all we gotta do is roll it up, y'all. Just roll it on up. Making it one of them little packages. And don't it look good? So we gonna get this in the sous vide bag and then get it into that sous vide machine at 135 degrees for 4 hours. After the 4 hours done pass, look at what we got right here. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that cheese coming out the top. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So let's go ahead and get that torch on them. Now as you know, you can actually eat it without torching it. I just like that crust, y'all. Now you can actually, instead of torching it, get into a pan with some butter and some herbs and finish it off that way to get that crust. However you want to do it, but if you do it in the pan, make sure you do it at very high heat. Make sure that pan is scorching hot. But anyway, let's get a taste of this. Oh yeah, look at that spinach, y'all, and that cheese. So tasty, y'all, so tasty. I shouldn't enjoy doing this much, but hey, it's so good. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.